gotta square your shoulders up on there. Somebody count.
1, 2, 3.
He's just sitting there.
Okay.
Somebody say go.
Oh, hold on. Get a wrist straight, wrist straight. I'm gonna do a ready, go. You're gonna both are gonna go and go. Ready, go. I didn't get much of that. I got part of his ass on there, I think.
Okay.
Pull left. I want to try it again. All right, wrist straight. Ready, go. Boy, got a solid ride on him. All right, straighten up the wrist. Ready, go.
I got something for you. Jake, Jake, come here. Todd, come here. You use one hand too. Huh? Use one
No. Come on. Straighten up the wrist. There we go. Ready, go. Not bad, not bad. Wish my arm wasn't hurting.
Wait, now are you recording?